What's going on, y'all? Just replacing an ignition switch on a Freightliner Cascadia. Man, I hope this helps out. Please like and subscribe. It's real simple, but yeah, let's get to it. Taking out the old one. I'm not sure if you've seen me, but I use some pliers. Just twist that cap off. And here's the new one. And man, we're gonna go ahead and plug this back into the harness. It's real simple. Just line up the hose with the pins. Let me see. I'll say gotta do it like this. And they're gonna slide right in. Just like this. Go ahead, place it back in. Gotta find the groove. Found it. Now, twist the cap back on. And as simple as that. Now just tighten it up. And voila. Just as simple as that. Replace the ignition switch. Yeah, man. Hope this is very helpful. Just like and subscribe for me. Appreciate you.